Har Ghar Tiranga rally has been organized today by the South Goa District Police Headquarters. This is a message to respect the national flag and have a lot of patriotism for the country. And we are starting this rally with a lead done by a woman traffic wing, and they will lead the rally. There is a staff of about 150 police personnel, and we expect all the citizens to have a Tiranga displayed at their homes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.